What's up guys, it's me Jimmy. This is the NutriBiotic Skin Wound and Spray. This is the organic natural spray. This is somewhat antiseptic. Antiseptic is not same as antibiotic. Is that even a word? Antibiotics are the tablet. But anyway, you got my point. This thing is antiseptic, but organic antiseptic. Let me show you from the behind. You can read the ingredients by yourself. Okay, here we go. I mean, thing is very good, especially if you got some minor cut, minor burn, minor rash, itching. Then you can use, for example, like I got like few. I just fell down. I got. Can you see or not? Yeah. Oh, the camera focus. Yeah. Here we go. Let me just put it. Okay. Let me make it focus. Okay. Here we go. It's not painful, and then you just let it like dry. After a few seconds, it will be like totally dry. I personally like this thing, to be honest with you. Again, this, if you got a serious injury or something like this, much better you'll use something serious. You use something like from pharmaceutical. You got my point. Something like artificial. Again, I'm not called, because there are two kinds of. So one is like pharmaceutical, which have a lot of chemical inside. One is like herbal or some kind of organic. Nautical. I hope you got my point. I prefer this one on some like itching, lighter wound, or some kind of a little bit like minor injury. I prefer this one. So yeah, it was me, Jimmy Agik. I give 8 out of 10. I personally like it. I'm quite happy, to be honest with you. Subscribe and bye.
You can check out my channel MBA Market Business Africa, where I talk about my African business journey and give you tips and tricks on how to start a business in East and West Africa. And also check out my travel channel Outing Journal, where I love to travel with my wife around the world. My wife is diagnosed with the retinal pigmentosa, so she is like now 75% technically blind, but still we are not giving our hope. As you can see, my wife is half blind. You can check out this video. Also make sure to check out my Spider-Man review. This is Outing Journal. Also check out my online travel magazine Outing Journal, where I love to write about travel article, travel story, for example, such as this one. I love travel writing. I want to become one of the best travel writer out there. And I'm also teaching on Skillshare. Please check out Skillshare. I'm giving you a 1 month free trial. Here's my course on Skillshare. More courses are upcoming on Skillshare. I'm teaching on Skillshare. And also check out my courses on Udemy. Yes, my courses on Udemy. I have around 4 courses, over 20,000 students. Most of my courses are going quite well. Make sure to support me on Skillshare and Udemy. That's all. Keep going on. Never stop learning. Learn until you die. Bye.